Good evening, everyone. This is Blessing Able Graphics. In this tutorial, I'm using pixellab to design, and we are designing barbering salon work. And in a moment, in a minute, just do something for me. Subscribe for my YouTube channel, like, and hit the notification bell for you to know whenever I drop the message or whenever I drop the content. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay, let's open the pixellab. Okay, this is the pixel update the surface, and this is the tools that you are going to use. The first thing is that I work on the size and come over here. I think I like something 3280 by 3280. Do so. Okay, click on OK, and I want to use one tool that is not common for some pixel lab users. I want to use pizza tools. This pizza tools really good if you know how to use it, and I click on this margin, on this align text, and I click on this one. After that, I adjust this one like this, I adjust this one like this one like this one like this. In case you want to add, you can add like that, but I don't really need any addition now, but you can use it later. After you have arranged it like this, if you are using this one, arrange it like this and click on this again. Once you click on it, you cannot move on this line again, and if you want to move again, just click on it for us to use it. And let's come back to pizza tools. I click on the pizza tools. Whenever you click on pizza tools, this is what you are going to get. Okay, once you achieve this, you can just click on the pizza mode and click on this movement. You can move it like this, that first one, and click on this one to move the second one to this edge. Okay, after you have achieved that, come to the actives. Now we want to active on this work and click on this okay, on the let's we are still working on mode. Click on this first one and click over here, and come to active, click over here to finish this work. And after you have achieved that, just click on this second mode pizza and click on this one. Just adjust it like this and place it here. Click on this one too, adjust it like this. Click on this one, adjust this one also like this. Okay, adjust this one, click on it, and this one also adjust it. This one leave it like that, and this one leave it like that. Okay, but this one, let me just move this one up. This is the some of the work that bezier tools use to work. And after you have achieved that, just give this work color. Okay, and we are using something relates to gold color, um oh, like this. Yes, something like this. Click OK. Okay, something like this. And I don't need the stroke there. This is the stroke, and you have to put it on a 0 and click mark. You have achieved this. Okay, but you can just leave it like this. Let's firstly place the background. Come to this plus and go to the from gallery. Okay, this is the background I'm using. Then I have to rotate it like this and click OK. This is the background I'm using. Then I have to increase it, and I want to dip this background in a little bit. I will make it more deeper. Okay, how am I going to achieve that? Come to color filters, and this saturation, reduce it a little bit. Brightness, reduce the brightness also. Contrast, increase a little bit to give us the brighter color. Okay, you can decrease it very well. Okay, after you have achieved that, just click on this mark and come over here. This background, take it to the back, and you can lock it if you place it over here very well. And you are working on this one again. Now I increase it very well. After you have achieved by increasing it very well, place it like this. You can see how I place it, and click on it once. Just copy it again. Click on this copy and change the colors to white. I need something white. I have to fast a little bit because these things might take long time, and place it like this. Okay, you can see how we achieve this, and you can just lock everything like that. You have already locked it. And let me just import one image that I want to use from gallery. Okay, this is the image I want to use. Click on it like this and reduce it like that. Okay, this is the image I want to use. Then I fail to place it here. I fail to place it here. Then I want to use razor tools. Razor tools, increase this one, increase this one, increase this one, decrease this one like this, and fade it like this, fade it like this, fade this here. After you have fade it like that, you can now place it over here like this. And there is something I want to work on the shape tools now, and it's very need your attention. Just make sure you follow me as I'm using it. Okay, I click on the shape tools and I have to place it over here. You can see how I place it. Okay, like this, and click OK like that. Once you achieve this, and plus it, click on plus or copied it. But this second one, I need to change the color to the background color. How am I going to achieve that? Go to color and click on this plus, click on this side, this up here, click on it, click on the low color and pick any color you want to use. I want to use this color and click OK. Then this one we used, we designed this second one. I wish we should change the color to something like that too. No, not this one, not this one. The second one, this first one. I wish we should change the color to something like this too. Yes, let's do something like this for this one too. And it's not just to finish like this. We still need some tags we have to place. Make sure the things reach each other. Okay, this lower one, copied it. After you copy it, place it here. This one, copy this one also, place it here. And this one, reduce it. And if you cannot get it very well like that, you can delete it. Place this one like this. Copy this one, copy it, and place it over here and change this to white color. You get it now? We interchange the color, and I still want both to reach each other. You have to increase this one like this, let this one reach each other, or take it up like this, let this one also reach down like this. You can see how I achieve that. And this next one, just click it like this and click the OK, the mark. Okay, reduce it very well and come and place it again. Come and place it like this, reduce it very well, because we are placing two of it beside each other. So you can just adjust it like this. You need to watch it very well. Actually, it might take time, but you have to watch it very well. Click the second one, place it over here. You can see this second one don't have the place to stand. You have to reduce it again, delete that one and reduce it again, copy it again and come and place it back. Okay, and you can use position tools to address it very well. Okay, copied it again. Assuming if you don't see it, just copy two, copy another one. In case, because if you put white on white, you might not see it very well. But there is a way, there's something I want to teach you for you to see this work. Okay, this one you have to position it very well and come to stroke it with the white color. This second one, stroke it with white color also. Click on white. This one, stroke it with the second color. And for you to see these things very well, that is why I want you to stroke it and copy it again, place it over here. Let me address this one a little bit. Let me address it. Position tools I use to address it. This is to address this one too. Okay, now all these things you achieve. This first one, click on it and go to texture. Now I'm very sure most of you know how to use texture. You are texture on it. Okay, let me take this one. I want to texture this one inside. You can see the things work. Click on the second one, texture on the second one, and texture on each of these box you created. You know, it's not square again. We have already adjusted it. You can adjust it like this. Okay, this one too. Oh, click on texture. I don't know if I'm supposed to skip it, but let me just leave it. Okay, this one too, texture on everything, texture on it. You just texture on it like this, increase it. If it is not okay, click on this one. No, increase this one too like this. You can see how you achieve this. You can see how you achieve it. Okay, there is something I wish we should put on this side. Click on this circle color and place it over here. Place it over here. Not too big. Another one. Place it over here. Another one. Place it over here. And click on each of it. Give each of these things, give them stroke and texture. Stroke and texture. Texture, all these things. Whenever you want texture like this, oh, that is not here. You have to address it. Address it like this. You can see this one too. Click on texture. Pick another one. Just this very well. Yeah. You can increase it like this for you to see, but you have to work on it so that they will see your work very well. I stroke this one too, and pick another one. Oh, supposed not to pick this one, but actually, let's just leave that one like that. And the name of the owner you have to put it, but before you do that, lock everything like this. You can see that we work on this this design. Okay, lock it like this. You can still do more better than this, but just try to do it very well. Actually, just put the name of that person here. Now let me just put one name. Let me put peace, and I will change the font. Please change the font. uh my god, most of my font is not functioning. Okay, let me use this one. If it's going to be work, just click ok. uh okay, let me try this. I'll give it this color, or I'll pick something related to that side color. This color, I pick this color. Then I come to stroke. I'll give it white stroke and increase it like this. But that font safe. I don't really like that font. Okay, you can see how we achieve this. Okay, then you can just pattern this work. Oh no, let's space it. Let's just space it like this. Once you space it, you can reduce it a little bit. After that, let's just put another things there, like barbing, barbering, salon. I wish to use capital letter for B and capital letter for X, and click mark. Then this one, place it, I place it over here. Then give it white color. White color, and you can change the font to something styling. Okay, let me use this one. I think is we are good to go like this. Okay, and just put their contact and their address and place it here. Okay, like their number 091 whatever you want to place there, just do it. You want to put address, you can still place your address, but you have to know how to address arrange it very well. Let's use the some previous videos. Okay, and you can just change the colors to previous colors. Address this very well. Even you can still put your number over here and put your number here. And I need something like this. I don't want distance to take time. Oh, okay. Then I have to type the working days. So 9:30 Nigeria hour. Just click mark. After you have typed all this, you can see working hours Mondays to Saturday 7 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Okay, I'm going to position it over here. Then I have to change the font to something close to the previous font. Okay, something like this. But this one, maybe let me reduce it very well. Where's my work? Okay, this one now. I have to place it here. Then I will change the color accordingly. Let me firstly change it like this. And the first one, that working hour, I will change this to white. You can see that it has already worked very well. Okay, I think I need to pattern this. No, let me just place it. Let me place it like this and take it up a little bit. Okay, let me see. It's not used to balance it. Okay, let's just leave it because of the time. But if you want to do your own, please take your time. You can see how beautiful it is. Try to design your own too and make sure you make it well. Design it very well and arrange it very well also.